the ideal money and time-saving solution. Cooking and meal preparation will become easier, less expensive and faster, as you will be able to equip and organize your freezer with fresh food ready to be defrosted and served or fresh ingredients instead of freezer-burned food filled with ice crystals which will probably end up in the trash can. Easy to operate, fully automatic simple electric plug-in design with the control center placed on the top panel and soft touch digital buttons along with LED indicator lights, a smart device at your family's service. 2 sealing modes, useful and practical. The NutriChef vacuum sealing system is cleverly designed owning 2 selectable modes to provide your food with the best possible preservation based on the type of food you want to seal. You can choose the dry indication for solid food items and the moist indication for poached, simmered, or steamed food. Lab-tested quality, vacuum sealers preserve food up to 5 times longer than zipper baggies or containers, basically depending on the type of food. The NutriChef vacuum sealer, however, was subjected to specific laboratory testing to effectively increase food shelf life. A full starter kit. Apart from the vacuum sealer and the air suction hose, the NutriChef vacuum sealer package also includes a wine stopper cork, 5 medium vacuum bags, 7.8 by 11.8 inch, and 1 extra long vacuum bag roll, 7.8 by 79.0 inch, both kinds being reusable and waterproof. A complete bundle for your new cooking era. Top reviews from the United States. Fast and easy to use. Very happy with our new vacuum sealer. We tested the sealer first with dry goods and it did amazing. We used the pint-sized bags that came with the sealer, testing a variety of amounts and materials. We also sealed several different types of meats. We were concerned about the juices. We did pat the meat dry a little prior to placing in the bags and sealing. This helped minimize the amount of juices in the bag, and the sealer did not suck the juices out when extracting the air. The vacuum sealing process was pretty quick. We were prepping the next item to seal as one was in process. We'll add to this review once we begin to use the products we vacuum sealed.